Don't compare yourself with others. The story of the two trees. In a forest, two trees stood side by side. One was a tall, sturdy oak, with broad branches and a strong trunk. The other was a slender, graceful willow, with delicate leaves and a flexible stem. The oak tree looked at the willow and envied its ability to sway in the wind, wishing it could be as carefree and flexible. Meanwhile, the willow tree gazed at the oak and coveted its strength and stability, wishing it could be as robust and unshakable. One day, a fierce storm hit the forest, and the winds howled through the trees. The oak tree stood firm, its roots digging deep into the earth, but its rigid branches creaked and groaned under the force of the gale. The willow tree, on the other hand, flexed and bent, its supple branches yielding to the wind's fury. When the storm passed, the oak tree was battered and bruised, its branches broken and splintered. The willow tree, however, emerged unscathed, its delicate leaves rustling softly in the gentle breeze. As they stood together, surveying the damage, the oak tree realized that its strength had almost been its downfall, while the willow's flexibility had saved it. The willow tree understood that its slender form had allowed it to yield and survive, while the oak's rigidity had put it at risk. From that day forward, the two trees ceased comparing themselves and instead celebrated their unique qualities, recognizing that each had its own strengths and weaknesses. They stood together, a testament to the beauty of diversity and the folly of comparison. Moral: don't compare yourself with others. Embrace your individuality and celebrate your unique strengths and talents.
Thanks for watching. For more interesting and moral stories, please like, comment, share and subscribe.